Today I'm going to be teaching you one of the 5 basic crochet stitches. Today it's the half double crochet. Let's get started. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And that is the half double crochet. So I'll show you a couple more times. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I'm going to continue working half double crochets into each stitch down this row, and when I reach the end of the row, I'll slow down again and show you how to turn. If you keep watching, I'll show you how to get started from a chain for your half double crochets. When you reach the last stitch in the row, you're just going to work your half double crochet like normal. And then chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. And you can continue working another row of half double crochets just as we started the first one. To start the half double crochet from a chain, you can crochet any number of chains that you want, and then you're going to work your first half double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, that's our 3rd chain from the hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And that's how you half double crochet into the chain. It's just like working into the other stitches. And when you reach the end of this chain, you will just chain 2 and turn. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give it a like, and if you like stitch tutorials like this, you can subscribe to my channel. I release a new one every week.